Okay. Starting vector, dot product or scalar product. That's what we are discussing today. Vector product or what? Scalar product. You know what is vector product or scalar product? We done a lot of questions that I just filtered and wrote. See, there is a vector A and another vector B, and this angle is what? Theta, both having same initial point. Then dot product is defined as A dot B equal to magnitude A, magnitude B cos theta. So this magnitude A, sometimes we people simply can write A, and this you can don't write any vector symbol or anything because it's a numerical value. Like that also, you can write it, no problem. Both are same only. This is what we are calling dot product. And if you want to find an angle between two vectors, we people are keeping cos theta there, and cos theta can be written as A dot B by magnitude A, magnitude B. This is to find the angle between two vectors. Please write it. A dot B equal to magnitude A, magnitude B cos theta. Or AB cos theta also simply we can say. In physics, what you used like that only. And cos theta equal to, this is what to find the angle between two vectors. Both are same only, it's a rearranged way. After this, if two vectors are perpendicular, don't forget, perpendicular means this angle become what? 90 degree. Cos 90 is, 0. So A dot B equal to 0. Two vectors are perpendicular, then dot product equal to what? 0. A dot B equal to 0. Two vectors are parallel. Cross product is 0. Anyway, in this topic, we are not using that parallel. We need today's class also, 3D. Parallel, one vector will be some scalar multiple of the other vector. Parallel means one vector is a multiple of the other. Like, parallel line is coming what? It is like that only. One will be multiple of the other. Like that only parallel vectors is coming. A equal to lambda B, where lambda is a scalar. This much only what you have to remember. That's why I told you when we are taking class, many things will be there. But when we are doing the problem, that much you won't be. Starting B3, vectors, scalar product, and in which I'm doing the first question, 17th one. 17th question I'm doing first. You read it, 17th one. A and B are unit vectors. Already they given A and B are what? Unit vectors, right? Given that A and B are unit vectors. Given that A and B are unit vectors. So unit vectors means, therefore, magnitude A equal to 1, magnitude B also what? 1. Both are what? Equal to 1. What do you want to find? Magnitude of A minus B equal to 2 sine theta by 2. So I told you, in the question, if it is A plus B or A minus B or A plus B plus C, something like that, normally we people are squaring both sides. That's only what we are doing. So first one, to prove, magnitude of A minus B equal to 2 sine theta by 2. Magnitude of A minus B equal to 2 sine theta by 2. How we can proceed? Proof. Magnitude of A minus B square. I told you many times. I think you remember, A dot A means simply you can write A square, or you can write a magnitude A square, or you can write A square also, because A dot dot product is a scalar quantity. So A dot A you can write A square or magnitude of A square or A square. This all cases it is same value only. Same value only, don't forget about that. So this one we can write A minus B dot A minus B. A minus B you can write it 2 times. This is what the meaning of what? Magnitude of A square. Magnitude of A square means A dot A. The same thing will be repeated what twice. After this, right side dot product A dot A. Dot product is commutative, that everybody should know. Minus A dot B, but the cross product is not. Minus B dot A plus magnitude of B square. Already we people having magnitude of this, sorry, this we can write magnitude A square, okay, fine. Both will be fine. So already we have magnitude A square is what? 1. A dot B and B dot A same only, same sign. So we can write 2A dot B plus 1 square. Anybody have doubt, ask me. Simply don't write it. After this 1 and 1, 2. 2 minus this one. 2 I took it outside, or afterwards you can take. What is A dot B? Today I told you what's A dot B. Magnitude A, magnitude B cos theta. A dot B is magnitude A, magnitude B cos theta. This is what we are calling A dot B. Please write up to you. So magnitude A 1, magnitude B also what? This is 1, this is also 1. So only 2 into 1 minus cos theta will be there. Just check it. Anybody have step doubt, let me know. Because magnitude A, magnitude B 1 only. So 2 minus 2 cos theta will be there. 2 minus 2 cos theta, in which 2 is common, I took out. Every time I used to tell this result, don't forget. 1 minus cos 2x is what? 2 sin square x. But if it is 1 plus cos 2x, it will be what? 2 cos square x. But we have here 1 minus cos theta only. Instead of 2x, we have only theta. So it will become half. 11th standard, repeatedly you done this one. So that can be written as 2 into 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2. So left side, don't forget. Magnitude of A minus B square, 4 sin square theta by 2. When you're transposing the square, A minus B, you will get 2 sin theta by 2. This is what you want to prove. 2 sin theta by 2. This is what you want to prove. Please have a look. Magnitude of A minus B, 2 sin theta by 2. Same way, second part you can try. To prove, second part you try. To prove magnitude of A plus B equal to 2 cos theta by 2. Same way, please proceed. I'll wait for you. Please proceed. This is the first part, but we done. Question number 17th one we done. Seventeenth one, second part that you try. Second part, everywhere plus will come. Plus, 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 plus. And from here onwards, what will be 2 into 2 cos square theta by 2 will come. That is 4 cos square theta by 2. Magnitude of A plus B square. So therefore, magnitude of A plus B equal to 2 cos theta plus or minus normally will come, but this case why is not coming? Magnitude is a positive value, is a distance, so it cannot be. And after that, there is a chance to ask, prove that what? A minus B by A plus B equal to what? Tan theta by 2. At that time, if they're asking that one, first one and second one, you just divide like that only we people are doing. So I hope everyone understood this one, how we did. Next question I'm doing, question number 5th one. Question number 5th one. We have 17 questions, that's why little speed, but any doubt or anything is there, you have to ask. Question number 5th one. Question number 5th one. Question number 5th one. Question number 5th one. Right. Given that magnitude A equal to 5, magnitude B equal to 12, and magnitude C equal to what? 13. After that only, also, you have to write A plus B plus C equal to what? 0. After that only you write this. They are asking A dot B, B dot C, C dot A. No problem. Squaring both sides. Right? Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. When you're squaring, you know A plus B plus C whole square in 9th standard. First one square plus second one square plus third one square. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. Right side is 0 only, so we can. So what is magnitude A? That is 5. So 5 square plus 12 square plus 13 square. Here 2 is common, we can take it out. A dot B plus B dot C plus A dot C or C dot A equal to 0. And 2 into A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A equal to minus 25 minus 144 minus 116. So A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A or A dot C equal to, this will get how much? 338? 338 minus 338. Make sure calculation is correct. 116 and 116 and 320. Yeah. Divided by 2 will be there. So answer is minus 169. That's answer. Any step doubt anybody out, let me know. Simply don't write it, told you already. So I hope you understood this also. Next question. Number 9th one. Question number 9th one. Question number 9th one. Question number 9th one. We want to finish this module today. Question number 9th one. Tomorrow, most probably, functions. But I have a request. Functions, many questions are there. So once I uploaded the worksheet, you please go through many questions. What is you have problem that you can ask me? Because tomorrow functions, otherwise we can't finish within 1 hour. Okay, fine. I hope everyone understood this. Question number 9th one. First read the question. 9th one, read the question. A, B, C are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. Already they told, right? Given that, question number 9th one, A, B, C are mutually perpendicular unit vector. Given that A, B, C are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. Given that A, B, C are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. Given that A, B, C are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. Now, this class maximum you have to utilize. Simply don't waste your time and all. Mutually perpendicular unit vectors. That is, magnitude A equal to 1, magnitude B equal to 1, magnitude C also 1. Mutually perpendicular vectors means A and B are perpendicular. So A dot B equal to 0. B and C are perpendicular, that dot product equal to 0. And C and A are perpendicular, that is equal to 0. This is equation number, altogether we can call equation number 1. What do you want to find? I told you, whenever something like that, if it is there, you just square it. That's what we need. Now, this you square. What do you want to find? That you square it. Even if A plus B or A plus B plus C, if it is there, you just square it. First one square, that is 4A square. Second one square, then third one square. Plus 2 into first into second. 2 into first into second plus 2 into second into third plus first into third. This a square value already we have 1. 4 into 1 square. Again 1 square. Again 1 square. A dot B is what is 0. B dot C also what 0. C dot A also 0. Because it is already there in the question. Here you can write from 1 and 2. Don't forget left side square is there. Don't forget about that. 4 plus 1 plus this is how much? 6. 2A plus B plus C whole square equal to what? 6. So plus or minus won't come because it's a magnitude. That is the reason. Root to 6 is the answer. Root to 6 is the answer. I hope everyone understood. Next question number 10th one. Little complication, but correct explanation only. So we'll write the, actually here we wrote directly this one. Normally A plus B plus C means A plus B times A plus B. A plus B times A plus B. That's a difference only. Next question number 10th one. Question number 10th one. Question number 10th one. Read it. Question number 10th one. Question number 10th one. Any doubt anybody have asked me? If you don't mind, don't worry if you are asking this related topic, anything you can ask. Question number 10th one. Given that magnitude A equal to 3, magnitude B equal to 4, and magnitude C equal to 5. Today's class in between will finish that B for differential equation. Some more questions are pending. That also in between we'll discuss. And I already told you 3D many theory won't tell. Directly we are doing examination point of view because some people having exam on next week or something like that. So, but everything we'll discuss. This one. And one more condition is there in the question. Each one of them being perpendicular to this one. Also, A is perpendicular to B plus C. So that dot product equal to 0. Now each one of them perpendicular to some of the other two. A is perpendicular to B plus C. B is perpendicular to A plus C, like that only. That is, B is perpendicular to A plus C. Whatever perpendicular is coming, I told you, if this and this perpendicular means this dot product equal to 0. Whatever things, if they're telling this and this perpendicular means this dot product equal to 0. If you're telling this and this perpendicular means this dot product equal to 0. So here A and A like that only. C and A plus B also what perpendicular. Each one of them perpendicular to some of the other two. Equation number 1, this we can call equation number 2. Now what do you want to see? Question number 10th one. Now magnitude of A plus B plus C they're asking. I told you we have write square. Square when you're writing, normally we are expanding, but here don't expand, you won't get the answer. This you write it 2 times. A plus B plus C dot. A plus B plus C. 2 times you write. Dot product. Now start. A dot A, magnitude A square. Better you listen to me. So A initially multiplied with, so magnitude A square. Now A I'm multiplying with the B plus C together, then only don't multiply separately. I multiplied with the B plus C together because we have A times A dot B plus C, we have result. So initially A multiplied with A, then A multiplied with what? B plus C. After that B dot B. First B dot B, that is what magnitude B square. B multiplied with first B, then B multiplied with the A plus C. B dot A plus C. Then what? C multiplied with the C. Then C dot A plus B. Now what are things you have? Only this step is important. After that you can easily manage it. What is magnitude A square? 3. 3 square plus 0. 4 square plus 0. 5 square plus 0 from 1 and 2. You know why? This is 0, this is 0, this is 0. 9 plus 25, 16, 25, so you'll get to 50. So magnitude of A plus B plus C, root to 50. Root to 50, you can stop there, or if you want, you can write 5 root 2. It is your choice. By 5 root 2, root to 50 can be written as 25 into 2. So that question also clear, I think. So we done question number 10th one. Now such a type of question number 14th one. Now we are doing 14th one. 14th one. Question number 14th one. Read. Again, A plus B plus C is given. They are asking angle between A and B. That I told you. Question you understand. So accordingly you have to proceed. I'll tell you, don't worry. This is what 5 root 2. So everyone understood it. So every classes I'm just uploading in the YouTube link. So anytime you can access it, because many people were saying, so this is not downloading now. Afterwards, we are not getting that problem won't be there. Next question number 14th one. Given that magnitude A equal to 3, magnitude B equal to 5, magnitude C equal to what? 7. They are asking angle between A and B. Also, A plus B plus C equal to 0. Try to understand. If they are asking angle between A and B you keep there, the other term you transpose to other side. If they are asking, this is question number 14th one. If they are asking angle between 14th one, if they are asking angle between A and B you keep there and remaining thing you transpose. If they are asking angle between A and C you keep there, B you transpose to other side. So here they are asking angle between A and B. So A plus B you keep there, C you transpose to other side. That's the procedure. If they're asking angle between B and C you keep there, that is B plus C you keep there, A you transpose the other side. Please write squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. When you're squaring, magnitude A square plus 2A dot B plus magnitude B square equal to what magnitude? Because when you're squaring, negative will go. What are things you know substitute? 3 square plus 2A dot B 5 square equal to 7 square. 2 times. In the beginning, I taught you what is A dot B mean. A dot B magnitude A, magnitude B cos theta. If it is coming B dot C, magnitude B, magnitude C cos theta equal to 49 minus 9 minus 25. This everything I transpose to other side. And already we have what is magnitude A and magnitude B. This value you have 2 into 3 into 5 cos theta equal to 49 minus 40, 40 minus 25, 15. So cos theta equal to 15 by 30, because this is what 2 into 15, 30 equal to 1 by 2. Cos what is 1 by 2? 60. So angle between A and B equal to what? 60 degree. Angle between A and B equal to 60 degree. We done one question similar type of magnitude A, magnitude B minus something like that we done. So I hope everyone understood this what we did. Now we are moving to the 11th question. Not 11th question, 1 minute. Question number 6th one. In cross product also one question. I told you one is DPS asked, one is Birla asked. Like that we done one question. Question number 6th one. Question number 6th one. Read it. Question number 6th one. Question number 6th one. Please read it. The scalar product of the vector I plus j plus k with the unit vector along the sum is equal to 1. Question number 6th one. One of the pre-board, DPS, and another question Birla asked. I told you MES case because I was not handling that the last 2 years. Question number 6th one. Let A equal to I plus j plus k. How I am writing like that you can also write. B equal to 2i plus 4j minus 5k. The full topic MCQ is the last year added. That I'll share with you. Because other one I didn't get the time. That's a problem. C equal to lambda I plus 2j plus 3k. Everyone should read the question. The problem what I noticed, many people are simply writing the answer without reading the question. You read the question what is mentioned. The scalar product of this vector and unit vector along the direction of this sum. So we have to find let D equal to its sum. That is D equal to this sum means 2 plus lambda I plus 6j minus 2k. This is a sum. We can do something this side. After that we can come back. So this dot product, but this also didn't finish. Its magnitude we have to find. Why? Unit vector there. Unit vector means first vector, sorry, the vector divided by its magnitude. Anyway, first exercise is remaining to discuss. There is direction, cosines, unit vector and everything. So this magnitude means root of lambda plus 2 whole square or 2 plus lambda. Magnitude means always the value, which one is there we are squaring. Once we finished it, at least 30 minutes go through what we discussed. Lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 4, 36 plus 4. So magnitude D you got. Lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. $30 over. Therefore, D cap equal to. See, in one class we took this dot product around 3 hours or 4 hours. But when we are revising, everything very easily you can remember. All the concept it is touching. D cap equal to D vector by magnitude of this. What is D vector? This is the D vector. Lambda plus 2i or 2 plus lambda plus 6j minus 2k divided by its magnitude 4 lambda plus 44. This is what D cap. Please write up to you. After that, let me know. Any problem if it is there, let me know. No, you read. Whenever you're writing, you should read what you're writing. What they're saying. The scalar product of this vector with a unit vector along the sum. This is the unit vector. Along the sum means already we added. Given that A dot D cap equal to 1. But in the cross product, magnitude of the sum of the unit vector, because cross product is always what? Cross product is always what? A vector only. So that we found the magnitude. Anyway, when I'm discussing that module, it will be clear. Equal to 1. What is A? I plus j plus k dot. What is D cap? Lambda plus 2i plus 6j minus 2k divided by its magnitude equal to what? 1. And those who are with me from 9th standard onwards, please message me personally. 9th standard onwards, okay? This one, what we wrote, dot product equal to 1. Dot product, how we are doing, corresponding I term, j term, k term. So here, 1 into lambda plus 2 plus 1 into 6 plus 1 into minus 2, and denominator let it be the lambda square plus 4 lambda, that you can transpose to other side, that's my suggestion, equal to root of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. Simplify, then squaring both. Lambda plus 2 plus 6 minus 2 equal to root of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. You can simplify, squaring both sides, 2 cancel. Squaring both sides, when you're squaring, lambda plus 6 whole square, lambda square plus 12 lambda plus 36. Right side what happened? Lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. So I squared it. Now only came now. Who called you now? Lambda square cancelled. 8 lambda equal to 8. Lambda equal to what? 1. I think there also we are getting lambda is 1 in the cross product also. So one of the important. So don't forget about this. So I hope you understood this also. Next we are doing question number 11th one. 11th one. Question number 11th one after this. Our classes are there in the YouTube. You can check it. Everything I uploaded. Not accuracy, nothing. Just I'm uploading it. So utilize it. Tomorrow functions will be there. But I have request. Everyone first should go through. Sheet will upload today. Go through that sheet first. Whatever your problem and all let me. I hope everyone understood it. Question 11th one. If with the reference of right-handed system of mutually perpendicular unit vectors, IJK, what is the meaning of this one? That's a vector definition only, the first line. It's a right-handed three system, x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis, and a mutually perpendicular I along the x-axis, j along the y-axis, k along the z-axis. Of course, IJK are mutually perpendicular. We have this vector, right on, given that 11th one I do, 12th one you have to do by yourself after the class, okay? 11th one, given that A equal to 3i minus j, not a alpha equal to, sorry, alpha equal to, beta equal to, question number 11th one, alpha equal to 3i minus j, beta equal to 2i plus j minus 3k. When you're copying the question, please make sure you wrote the correct thing only. There is a chance to make a mistake and all. This is given. Then express beta in the form of beta 1 plus beta 2. And beta 1 is what? Parallel to alpha. And beta 2 is what? Also, we want to express what? To express beta equal to beta 1 plus beta 2. Express equation number 1. To express beta equal to beta 1 plus beta 2. To express beta equal to beta 1 plus beta 2. Given that beta 1 is parallel to alpha, given that beta 1 parallel alpha and beta 2 perpendicular alpha. Beta 1 parallel alpha, beta 2 perpendicular alpha. I request everyone now listen to me. When I started this chapter, this topic today, parallel and perpendicular I told you. If beta 1 alpha parallel, then what we can write, one vector will be scalar multiple of the other. Two vectors are parallel. One is what? Scalar multiple of the other. Two vectors are perpendicular. its dot product equal to what? 0. Don't forget about that. Parallel, then say a cross product also. Of course, that also is there, but this is better for us. Okay. Beta 2 dot alpha equal to what? 0. Perpendicular means dot product is 0. Parallel means one is the scalar multiple of the other. I'm just doing as a two part. Now beta 1 equal to lambda into alpha. Alpha already we have 3i minus j. So beta 1 we got 3 lambda I minus lambda j. This is what beta 1. This I'm calling equation number 2. Now, everyone understood, I think, this one. Now listen. This step many people are forgetting. From 1, beta 2 equal to, that we can write here. From 1, beta 2 equal to, you can see beta 2 is what? Beta minus beta 1. Beta 2 equal to beta minus beta 1. See, you have what is beta? Beta already we have 2i plus j minus 3k, and beta 1 just now we found 3 lambda I minus lambda j. 3 lambda I minus lambda j. Simplify. So beta 2 you'll get 2 minus 3 lambda I, because here 2 and here minus 3 lambda, plus 2j. Why 2j? Because here plus j, here, sorry, not 2j. And it will be 1 plus lambda j. 1 plus lambda j. 1 plus lambda j. Why here 1? Here minus 1 is coming plus lambda. And k term, no, this is what k term. So this is what your beta 2. Just to keep in a box. Anybody have problem? Let me know. 3. This is what equation 3. This much we did. So this much we wrote. Now beta 2, I told you second part. Beta 2 just now we got from 3. Beta 2 is what? 2 minus 3 lambda I, 1 plus lambda j minus 3k. This dot alpha equal to 0. What is alpha? Alpha already we have 3i minus j equal to what is 0? 3i minus j equal to 0. Dot product means corresponding term only will multiply. This you multiply with the 3. 2 minus 3 lambda into 3 plus 1 plus lambda into minus 1 plus minus 3 into 0, because there is no k term right side, so equal to 0. This when you're doing 6 minus 9 lambda minus 1 minus lambda plus 0 equal to 0. So here 6 minus 1 is what? 5. 5 equal to 10 lambda. Lambda equal to 1 by 2. See, lambda we got to 1 by 2. I think if you are doing the other question, I mean 12th question, lambda equal to minus 1 by 5 something will get it. That you have to do as a homework. So don't forget, because we have time problem. That's what I'm saying. Please check it. Anybody have issue? Let me know. Simply don't write. I told you already. Simply don't write it. So I hope everyone understood how we proceed. Didn't finish. You got what? Lambda 1 by 2. So from 2 and from 3, beta 1 and beta 2 you have to find. From 2, beta 1 equal to lambda value, how much we got to 1 by 2. Substitute. 3 into lambda, 3 by 2 I minus 1 by 2 j. This is what beta 1. Beta 1 means lambda just replace it as what? 1 by 2. So 3 by 2 I minus 1 by 2 j. 3 by 2 I minus 1 by 2 j. And this class will have only 2 more classes. Will get only, I think. One is tomorrow, one is Saturday. Then this class will be over. And if it is you needed, as per request, we'll make it night sometime or something. But early morning is not possible because morning will be too hurry. School is there. If it is needed, if demand is there, we'll do. because a risky factor for me. If the demand is not this, okay, fine, no problem, because you have a lot of things learned in school also. From 3, beta 2 equal to 2 minus lambda is 1 by 2. So 2 minus 3 lambda means 2 minus 3 by 2 I, 1 plus 1 by 2 j minus 3k. This you simplify. 2 minus 3 by 2 when we are simplifying. 4 minus 3, 1 by 2 I plus 3 by 2 j minus 3k. This is beta 2 such that beta equal to, what is you want to express such that beta equal to beta 1 plus beta 2. This you just write. This you don't forget. So if you are adding this and this will get what beta such that beta equal to beta 1 plus beta 2. Same way you people can proceed. Question number what, the 12th one. Answer is there in the textbook and all. If you, I mean, our classwork book, then you can check it. Now, our time is 6:30. Now 15 more minutes are there. Now we can do the basic questions and all. Please be ready. Question number 4th one. Question number 4th one. Question number 4th one. Given that magnitude A equal to 22, then write 2 columns. I told you A plus B, A minus B is the squaring both sides. Something related to, not last year, this chapter, one question I saw. Anyway, let me check it. Question number 4th one. Given that magnitude A equal to 22. After that, magnitude A plus B equal to 60. Magnitude A minus B equal. Magnitude A minus B equal to 40. What do you have to do now? Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Whenever A plus B, A minus B is coming, squaring both sides. When you're squaring, I told you already many questions we did. A square plus 2A dot B plus magnitude of B square equal to 3600. Magnitude A we have 22. A dot B plus magnitude B square. Any class module based if I'm taking, join in the beginning. Otherwise, in between, if you are joining, it won't be that much useful. Try to understand that. Because beginning only we are telling all the important and basic questions. 3600 minus 484. Because 22 square is what 484 transposed. So your first one, 2A dot B, magnitude B square. 3600 minus 484 is 3. How much? 3116. Equation number 1. Please make sure correct or not. Same way do the other side also. You cannot simplify further. Same way do the other side also. Magnitude A minus B. No need to wait for me. Please carry on. Do there also the same procedure. When you're squaring, magnitude A square minus 2A dot B plus magnitude B square equal to 1600. Magnitude A square is 22 square. So minus 2A dot B plus magnitude B square equal to 1600 minus 4A. 22 square is that one. So you got second equation. 1, 1, 1, 6. Equation number 2. Add 1 and 2. 2ab, 2ab get cancelled. 1 plus 2. So when you're doing 2a dot b, 2a dot b cancelled. So 2 times magnitude b square equal to this when you're adding 1, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2. I think I'm right. So magnitude b square equal to this half will come. This half will be how much? 21, 16. 2, 1, 1, 6. Make sure. The for magnitude of b, root of that one. Root of this one, I think 46. Sorry, 44. There's a mistake is there. A mistake is there, tell me. Calculation part. 46 is coming. Okay. Yeah, 46 is coming. 46 is the answer. 46 is the answer. I hope everyone understood. Next question. Projection related, I added 2 questions. Projection. Simply projection means we are calling vector projection or scalar projection. Sorry, simply projection means we are calling scalar projection. Right on. Projection A on B equal to not. Projection A on B equal to. On B equal to. A dot B by magnitude B. This is a projection A on B. Dot product by which one? That one. That will be the magnitude. Projection. Projection or simply we are calling what? Scalar projection. Vector projection A on B. Vector projection A on B. A dot B by magnitude B square dot magnitude, sorry, vector B. This we are calling vector projection. I told you projection of a vector. Repeatedly, I told you that one. Projection of a vector is not a projection vector. Projection vector in the question itself, projection vector or vector projection. Projection vector, vector projection. But projection of a vector is not a projection vector. I told you about that one repeatedly in that. This we are calling vector projection. Question number 15th one. A equal to 15th one. A equal to 2i minus 2j plus k. B equal to I plus 2j minus 3k. C equal to projection means this is the projection. Projection A on B means you justify, you will get a scalar quantity. But a vector projection means you will get a vector quantity. That's only the difference. But in that one, simply projection means this only. Scalar projection also this only. Projection of a vector also this only. Projection of a vector also that only. But projection vector or vector projection of won't be the projection vector or vector projection. If they're telling you have to use this of won't be the. This is the question number we are doing 16th, 15th one. 2i minus j plus 4k. And they're asking projection b plus c along a. So you have to find a b plus c first. B plus c 3i plus j plus k. Right on. Projection b plus c on a equal to projection b plus c on a equal to Now, what I told you, projection A on B, A dot B. So projection B plus C on A, B plus C dot A divided by magnitude A. So B plus C and A you have to multiply. This is what your B plus C, and this your only the term 3 times 2 plus 1 times minus 2 plus 1 times 1. This is what B plus C. Then magnitude of A, magnitude we are finding 2 square 4 minus 2 square 4 plus 1. So 3 2s are 6 minus 2 plus 1 by root 9 is what? 3. 6 minus 2 4. So answer is what? 5 by 3. Answer is what? 5 by 3. Just check it. Next is 16th one. Already projection is given. Projection is given. 16th one. So we done 15, 16, 17, 14, 12 and 30 we didn't do. That you can manage. 11 we done. 10 we done. 9 we done. Okay. Next question number, I told you. Question number 16th one. Only 7 minutes. So let me make fast. Given that projection A on B is equal to 4. Given that projection A on B equal to 4. That is A dot B by magnitude B equal to what? 4. You're right. What is A and B? That I'm not writing, but you should write. A equal to what? Lambda I plus J plus 4K. B equal to, simply don't sit behind the screen. Everything this maximum utilize, because I told you last year many people came up, not only last year, 10th. This is I started, this is the third year. Last year and previous, I started this during World Cup time, 2022 that time. Now it is the third year, successfully is moving. So A dot B, when you're multiplying 2 lambda, this is A dot B, plus 6 plus 12 by magnitude of that one. 2 square is 4, 36, 9 equal to 4. A dot B, how to find inverse? So 2 lambda plus 18. This is what? 49. 49 means 7. So 2 lambda plus 18 equal to 28. 2 lambda equal to 10. Lambda equal to what? 5. So we done 17. 2 lambda. 2 lambda. We done 17. 16. And 15 we done. 14 we done. Now 13th I'm not doing. 13th you can find A dot B is given. What is A dot B? Magnitude A, magnitude B, cos theta. That you can try. 12th you can manage. 11th you can manage. 10th we done. 9th we done. 8th one. 8th one. A equal to I minus J plus 7K. 8th one. A equal to I minus J plus 7K. B equal to 5I minus J plus 4K. Sorry, lambda K. Find lambda. A plus B and A minus B are perpendicular vectors. You please find A plus B and A minus B. After that, we can think about A plus B 6I minus 2J plus lambda plus 7 or 7 plus lambda. Okay, this is A plus B. A minus B is I minus 5 minus 4I plus 0J plus 7 minus lambda. Here we can write a 7 plus lambda. Some advantage will be there. So write a 7 plus lambda. Okay, this is A minus B and A plus B. What they given? I told you before by showing this and this are perpendicular means this dot product equal to 0. Here what they given? A plus B and A, given that A plus B perpendicular to A minus B. Therefore, that dot product equal to what? 0. That dot product equal to 0. Tomorrow I told you functions, so worksheet will upload. So initially you practice that one. Maybe this B2 no, B2 will update it, B3 will update it by adding last year or previous some questions I want to add. So let's see. So what is A plus B dot this one? A plus B was the corresponding term only you have to multiply. 6 times minus 4, minus 2 times 0, and 7 plus lambda times 7 minus lambda equal to 0. Now that's what? 6 into minus 4 minus 24 plus 0. A plus B into A minus B, you can write 49 minus lambda square equal to 0. 10th standard, nobody joined, no. Was meeting I didn't log. So it will be 25 equal to lambda square, lambda equal to plus or minus 5. It is not the magnitude, it is lambda value. Lambda value can be either positive or what? Negative. So we done almost all the question. Next is question number third one. You have 2 more minutes. Question number third one. Then I'm stopping this one. Anybody have any doubt remaining, you can ask me. Third one. A plus B dot, given that magnitude A equal to 8 magnitude B, and A plus B dot A minus B equal to 8. Each multiply magnitude A square. This is the question number third one. Plus minus A dot B plus B dot A minus magnitude B square equal to 8. You can cancel A dot B, B dot A. Magnitude A already we have 8. 8 magnitude B square. Magnitude B square equal to 8. 64 magnitude B square minus magnitude B square equal to 8. 63 magnitude B square equal to 8. Magnitude B square equal to 8 by 63. Therefore, magnitude B equal to root of 8 by 63. Therefore, magnitude A 8 times root of 8 by 63. Why? Magnitude A is what? 8B is there. So that. So remaining things you have to try. First one, second one, and all, because our time is over. So remaining things you try. Any doubt or anything is there, you can ask me, or you can refer the notebook also. Everything is there in the notebook. This is a filtered question from this chapter. Out of 45 or 47 questions, we filtered it. So I hope everyone understood. Okay, thank you. Bye. Take care.